Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss about Power BI desktop installation. I will show you how to install Power BI desktop and how to download and install a Power BI desktop. We have two different bits. One is 32-bit and 64-bit. So how to choose and how to download and how to install. So I'll show you. So I have these links, to follow the steps. I'll add you under description. Please follow if you require. So first of all, you should go to a Microsoft site and you can see this is a microsoft.com and this is under download section. So if you look at, so there is a download button. If you want to go for prerequisites, so you can go here, the details about the product as well as the system requirements. So which operating system, what is the RAM required, and what is this platform, and this is the download instructions. So just click on download. So we can navigate to this page and just click on a 64-bit or 32-bit, whichever you require, and just click on next to download it. I have already downloaded. uh, Let me go to our downloads and you can see it has been downloaded already. So let me uninstall my Power BI desktop so that we'll try to install once again. And let me go to programs and features, go to Microsoft Power BI desktop. So you can find here, let me uninstall. So this will take some time. And make sure, once if you install, it will ask for a sign in. So you need to sign in with a company email address. It will not allow you to sign in with normal Gmail accounts and Outlook accounts. Give me a second. Yeah, successfully uninstall this Power BI desktop software. And let me go to downloads and you can see my desktop, which is a 64-bit. So you can see, once if you double click it, you can see this chart. Just click on next. So accept the terms and conditions. No need to go to, if you want, you can go through all the terms and conditions. Just click on next. And you can see this is where, the Power BI desktop going to install. If you want, you can change the directory. So or else, keep the same and click on next. And you can see this is automatically checked. Create a desktop shortcut. If you want, you can uncheck it. So click on install. So this will take some time to install, to load all required packages, to copy it. Okay, so once this get installed, uh, you can see an icon in your Power BI desktop. Also, it will automatically launch the Power BI desktop. Now you can see this is copying new files into the folder. Hmm. So for the first time, if you are trying to open this, to initialize, it will take some time for the first load, and later on, it will give a quick startup if you open at any time. So you can see, so there is an option to launch desktop. I'm just clicking on finish so that it will automatically launch your Power BI desktop. Let me close all this. So there are two sites actually. If you see, this is a Microsoft under downloads, and there is separate Power BI link. Now once if you click download, so automatically it will redirect you to your Windows store, and there you can download your Power BI desktop. So now you can see it is asking to open Microsoft Store. So once if you click it, it will redirect you to Microsoft Store, and there you can search for the product, or automatically it will show to install this Power BI desktop. Yeah, you can see this. Okay, let me close this. No need for now. Let me cancel this, and we can see Power BI is initialized. As you know, it automatically picked up my credentials. I have already get signed, or else it will ask you to sign in. Once if you click on sign in, it will ask you to provide all the information, which includes your company email address. Okay, it will take up based on the tenant. Okay, so once if you sign in successfully, you'll get a free license which is applicable for 60 days, which is for free. So you can do basic operations using this free license, and if you want to upgrade, you can go with pro license. So these are the reports I have already created. So if we are going for the first time, just click on get data. So you can see the desktop here. Okay, it will ask you to get data from different sources. You can see lot of data sources are available: Excel, CSV, SQL analysis services, R, Azure, Dynamics, etc. and etc. Whatever the data source you want to connect to, you can select that and go ahead accordingly. So just cancel for now, and you can see this is the interface. Once if you open up your Power BI desktop, in the home page you can see your visuals and all the properties related to that. So once if you add your data source, you can you know find your data source and all relevant columns here. And this is like a report tab, and this is like you know data tab. So once you reload, it will show your data here, and this is like relationships tab. So you can uh, make your relationships here. I mean, if you're adding two or more data sources, and if you want to make a relationship between one on one, so you can do that. So this is how your Power BI desktop will be, and these are all the different visuals available here. And in the file menu, you have all these options. And one thing I want to inform you here, so once you're done with your development, so if you want to save this as this is Power BI desktop, automatically it will you know ask you to publish in the Power BI service, which is a cloud platform. And this is graded out because we didn't add any data source and we didn't pick any visual here. Okay, so I will show you in the next video how to add data source and how to create visuals, and how to publish it in a service. And one more thing, as I said, if you are using Power BI desktop, you should publish it in the Power BI service. And if you want to make it as on-prem report server, so you should download Power BI desktop for report server. That is a separate component. Again, you should download that. So once if you download, you can see uh, under save as, you can find save it in Power BI report server option. I'll try to make that video as well as soon as possible. Thanks for watching video. Please refer below links, if you have any doubts. I'll add it in the description. Thank you. Thanks for your time. So please like, subscribe to this channel so that you'll get alerts whenever I add a new video. Thank you. Thanks for your time.